Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to start a blog that makes $100,000 per year or more. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, so what we're going to talk about in this video is how to make money with your own blog and some of my experience, some of my tips, my best information that I have for you if you're looking to make money with your own blog. I'm also going to give you the steps that you need in order to launch your first blog and what are the things that you need to keep in mind in order to make it a profitable blog. And hopefully that's going to be enough valuable information for you to take action and actually get into blogging, because blogging is one of the simplest ways that you can start making money online. Now let's talk about how I personally make over $100,000 per year blogging. And I do that in 3 different ways. One of those ways is Facebook Instant Articles, the other one is Google AdSense, and the other one is affiliate marketing. That combined income makes me over $100,000 per year. And that actually doesn't come from one blog, it comes from multiple blogs in different niches. So one of the things that I did in the beginning is diversify the number of blogs that I have, because when I learned that I could make a little bit of money with one blog, I started to replicate those blogs into multiple niches in order to diversify my income, and that way I didn't have to depend on one single blog for all my income. Just think about this: if you have one blog that makes you all the money and something happens to that blog, if your blog gets hacked, if you lose your traffic overnight or something happens to that specific blog, your entire business could be gone overnight. So what I did is I started with one blog. I launched my first blog, and then 6 months later, once that blog actually started making some money, I replicated that blog into a different niche and actually did the same thing multiple times in a way that now I have 5 blogs that are making me money every single month. Yes, you do have to spend more money in order to run those blogs and get the content and all that, but the income on those blogs is growing every single month. So that's actually helping me cover some of the investment that I did in the beginning in order to launch those blogs. If you want to see proof of income on how much money I actually make, you can go back to my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of videos that shows you how much money I make with Facebook Instant Articles, how much money I make with Google AdSense. The biggest income source for me when it comes to blogging is actually affiliate marketing, meaning that I have banner spaces and I have links to different affiliate products related to those niches in those blogs. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. I'm going to give you the breakdown, the steps that you need in order to launch your first blog. I'm going to give you what worked for me. That does not mean that it could work for you the same way, but by giving you my example, hopefully that can inspire some ideas and you can take that, tweak it, and turn it into your own little blog that makes you money. Alright, so let's jump right into the video, and the first thing that you need to remember is that selecting a niche is one of the most powerful things that you need to do in order to run a profitable, successful blog. The reason why I say this is because the topic of your blog has a lot to do with how much money you make with Google AdSense or Facebook Instant. Alright, so what worked for me is launching a news information blog on different niches, a niche that requires daily content where your readers can come back to your blog on a daily or weekly basis to read new content, because there's so much news going on in that specific space. That's going to help you build recurring traffic, and that is what's going to help you scale the traffic and make more money with your blog. Let's say you were launching a sports news blog, so you would select something like baseball, and you can put in that blog everything that's happening when it comes to baseball on a daily or weekly basis. That's what I mean by selecting a news niche topic, because you're talking about baseball and you're putting all the information and all the content that you can find when it comes to baseball in that news blog. You can do the same thing with religion, with science, with basically any topic that you can think of. But the trick for me, what really worked for me, is to create something that requires new daily content, because that allowed me to bring people on a daily basis and returning visitors to my blog. So for example, if you were to read one article in one of my blogs and you like that article, you could come back tomorrow and read another one related to that one. So that would mean I get returning visitors on a daily and weekly basis, and that helps me scale my traffic from 100,000 visitors per year to basically getting 50, 100, up to 1 million visitors per month in a single blog. So once you have selected the news niche that you want to target with your blog, the second thing that you got to remember is that you got to get a good hosting service for your blog. And I'm talking from experience here, because the first time that I got over 10,000 visitors to my blog in a single day, my blog crashed. I had no idea why. That was mainly because I was spending very little money on my hosting service, and a lot of traffic at the same time just basically crushed down my blog, and I had to move my blog to a different server in order to be able to get more traffic and be able to handle large volumes of traffic for my blog. So now every time I want to start a new blog, I go to Bluehost. Bluehost is one of my favorite places to host new blogs, mainly because they can handle large volumes of traffic, and you can actually scale your traffic. You can scale your service depending on how much traffic you're getting on a monthly or weekly basis. Instead of moving my blog to different hosting services every time that I wanted to get more traffic, I could just use Bluehost and just upgrade to different plans, and that would help me handle much of the traffic that I was getting. Bluehost is my #1 recommended blog hosting platform. If you want to check it out, I'm going to post a link in the description below for you to check it out, so you can learn more information about how you can actually start a blog. And one of the best things that they have is that if you're thinking about launching a blog, then they give you a free domain name with the purchase of your first hosting plan. For me, having to move my blogs to different hosting services caused me to lose money because I had no idea what I was doing. So let's talk about #3, and that is building your list. With my own blogs, I build lists in 3 different ways. One is email, the other one is Facebook Messenger, and the other one is push notifications. That way, I'm able to reach more people, and I provide different sources for people to subscribe to my blogs if they want to get daily, weekly, or monthly content. This is something that you should be doing from the beginning. You shouldn't wait to get 10,000 visitors a day in order to start building your email list, mainly because you want to get as many people in your list from the beginning so you can send them daily or weekly newsletters, and that's going to help you increase your traffic over time. The bigger your email list, the more likely you are to get more traffic, and the more likely you are to make more money. So it took me a while for me to actually start building my email list, because I didn't actually understand the process of why should I build an email list or any other platform, because I had no idea how to use it. But in my case, I can tell you now that with over 100,000 people subscribed to my multiple different lists that I have with Facebook Messenger, with my email list, and also my push notifications, I can tell you that they drive a lot of traffic to my blogs. So what you should be doing is start building your email list from the beginning of launching your blog. You can use something like MailChimp, GetResponse, or Aweber. Those are the top 3. Typically, MailChimp is a little bit cheaper, and that's going to help you get started building your email list. I think up to 2,000 subscribers, that's going to be for free. It's something that you should be doing with every single blog that you launch, because you want to build a community around your blog. Now, if you want to go a little bit more advanced and build multiple lists like I did, you can go to ManyChat and you can sign up for a free account. And basically, ManyChat allows you to build a subscriber base using Facebook Messenger. All right, so step #4 is traffic, and this is the key aspect of making money with your blog. Do not depend on a single source of traffic. This is something that I learned the hard way. I used to focus on just building blogs that would rank on Google, and I basically learned the hard way that that is a big mistake, because you're simply depending on one single source of traffic. And if Google decides to just slap your blog, then you would lose all your rankings and all your traffic overnight. So that happened to me multiple times. That's why building an email list and building a contact list is crucial, because you're not depending on just Google for traffic or Facebook. When it comes to traffic, what you want to do is to diversify as much as possible. You want to be able to get traffic from Google, but you don't want to depend 100% on Google for all your traffic. So you want to be able to also use something like Facebook to build Facebook pages to help you drive traffic to your blog. You also want to build an Instagram page to help you build traffic to your blog as well. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but you can always outsource some of the stuff. In the beginning, you can do it yourself. You can also use tools to schedule multiple pieces of content for something like Instagram and also for Facebook if you don't want to do it, every single day. But you need to do these things in the beginning because you don't want to rely 100% on a single traffic source. For me, about 50% of the traffic that I get comes from Facebook, another 25 to 30% comes from Google, and the other percentage comes from the multiple lists that I have built. But if you're building multiple sources of traffic at the same time, if one falls, at least it's not gonna be a big hit that can take 100% of your traffic overnight. All right, so my last tip number 5 is monetization. How can you monetize your blog to make you as much money as possible? One of the best things that I did is to diversify my sources of income. That way I'm not relying on just one. So like I said, I make money from Facebook Instant Articles, I make money from Google AdSense, and I make money from private advertising as well, and also affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, you can apply for Facebook Instant Articles. I have multiple videos on my channel that explain how Facebook Instant Articles actually work, and you can go back to my channel and browse some of those videos to help you understand Facebook Instant Articles. My favorite way to monetize my blogs is with affiliate marketing, because you can pick different products and services that you want to promote, and you can make far bigger commissions and more money by promoting affiliate products inside of your blog. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I do have a free affiliate marketing guide which you can download below. It's going to be the first link, and that's going to help you understand how I personally make money with affiliate marketing, and I'll help you understand how you can take affiliate marketing to your blogs and make more money. The other way that I monetize my blogs is with private advertising. So for example, I could charge someone $500 to $1,000 per month to place one banner or multiple banners in my blogs, depending on how much traffic I'm getting to my blog. So if you have a blog that gets 100,000 visitors per month, you can probably charge someone $150 to $200 per month to place one banner in your blog. So this is something that you can do to diversify your income in a way that you're not depending on just Facebook or Google for your income, and that way you have the opportunity to make more money. And that combined income, as you get more traffic, as time actually passes, because it's not going to be an overnight thing, it will take time. Just keep that in mind. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed these tips, and I did my best to provide you with the best information that I can from my experience, and hopefully that could help you launch your first blog. If you want to learn more about launching your blog, I'm going to put some resources below for your hosting services, what type of templates you could use, and all the information that I know about starting your own blog is going to be found below. Hopefully you found value. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this type of videos, subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.